All right, now you've seen your favorite music video director that you follow, and you've seen him post music video director reel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys step by step. I'm actually gonna be making my 2022 music video director reel. I'm gonna share with you my thought process. We're gonna talk about why it's important to have a music video director reel, and also how to make your music video director reel. Inside this video, let's get it. Real quick, this video is sponsored by masteringmusicvideos.com. If you're looking to learn and grow your music video skills, masteringmusicvideos.com is the place to do it. It's the resource that I created that I wish I had 10 plus years ago, 500 music videos ago. I'm going to have courses, free trainings, free resources to help make your music videos better, mentoring program, coaching, music video reviews, everything, masteringmusicvideos.com. At the time of watching this, some of those features might not be available yet. If they're not already available, there'll be a spot for you to put your email in. That way you're notified as soon as they do drop. If they are available right now, enjoy. Speed up your process with growing your skills and learning how to master music videos. Masteringmusicvideos.com. All right, basically my approach to making a director reel, I do one every year. I think it's a cool way. Basically, you know, we have our own following and they're not paying attention to every single music video we do throughout the year, right? We do have some super fans. So right now, if you're watching and you're a super fan, shout out to you.
They on here looking like that.
But in most cases, a music video director reel, my approach is like, yo, just in case you missed some of the videos that I've done this year, I want to make one video showcasing and highlighting some of the coolest shots from each of those videos in a couple-minute video where you get to see all of them. Recently, over the years, I've slowed down on the amount of music videos that I've done. The most that I've done in one year was 81 videos. It was a few years ago, and that was a lot of videos to cram into like a 2-minute, 3-minute beat. How much of each video you show is kind of based on how many videos you did that year. So if you only shot one music video, you're probably gonna have a short, maybe 30-second reel and just showcase some of your favorite shots. And then what you do is you pick new instrumental to use for it. So you won't use any of the actual songs. What we'll do here, what I'm gonna be using is Epidemic sound. If you guys don't have Epidemic sound, I'll have a link in the description. If you use my link, you can get a free trial. And then also, if you do decide to join after the trial, you get 1 month for free by using my link. That'll be in the description. I use Epidemic sounds. I want to say it's like 15 bucks a month, but it allows me to get endless amounts of royalty-free music. You know, when you're a content creator, whether you need sound effects, so a lot of like my YouTube content where it's like whip sound effects, pop sound effects, any sound effects really. And then also with like the lo-fi instrumental beats in the background, stuff like that, Epidemic sounds. So I'm gonna find a beat. All right, funny story. I forgot that I make beats, and I actually use one of my own beats every year. So if you don't make beats, you can use Epidemic sounds. All right, now for setting your project up, here's what you're gonna do. The software that I'm using is Vegas Pro. If you're not using Vegas Pro, all good. The main thing that you gotta do is set up your resolution. So if majority of your music videos are in 1080, then I would make your project 1080. So it'd be 1920 wide by 1080 tall. If most of your videos are 4K, then I would make your project 4K. I know all of my music videos are 4K. We upgraded to that 4K life about 5 or 6 years ago, and we're not going back. If you also are in 4K gang, drop a comment, just say 4K gang. Let us all have a quick win right there, right?
Popping out the rave and get it.
Width 3840, height 2160, frame rate key, right? Make sure all your music videos is 24 frames per second. With my camera, when I put my files on the computer, it doesn't say 24, it says 23.976. So that's what I choose, 23.976. Yeah, there we go. And I already have my project set up like that, right? I wouldn't make your reel too long. I want to keep mine like 2 minutes max. So first thing I'm gonna do is figure out what music videos I did this year. So you're gonna go import all of your music videos, bring them into your project right here. So if you've done 5 music videos, drag them all in. If you did 50 music videos, 1, congratulations, shout out to you. Fist stab. And then 2, drag all 50 of them into your project. 22 music videos, cool. So I would recommend you start this like a music video. So all of my music videos, I start like this, where I have this with the crack. So I'm gonna start my reel exactly like that also, but then we're going to mute the audio from the video. So we're gonna use the beat now. You're just using the instrumental and then showing 5 to 10 seconds or so of each music video, a few shots, make it match up with the new beat. I'll show you exactly how I do that right here. pretty cool. That was pretty cool. So yeah, look, we watch it.
Cracka on the track.
Okay, we got the punch in, then let's go. So he was running down the street. What was another cool shot from this? Ooh, I remember that was sweet. Yeah, we had this little close up over the shoulder, fire in the background.
Cracka on the track.
There we go. Boom. And then that's probably it. So what was that? 1 shot, hitting the gloves, 2 shots. This was like a little B-roll section. 4, yeah, so just kind of like 4 quick shots. That was about 5 seconds of that video. Usually every music video, you should have a money shot. And so what a money shot is, long story short, if you're in a barbershop and you ran into someone and they're like, yo, I seen that new video you posted. That was dope. And then you're like, which one was it? And then whatever the thing is that they're like, it was the one where, whatever thing they say to describe it, like this one, if he was like, oh, it was the one where the dude was like in a purple hallway. Like, oh, okay, purple hallway was the one thing that stood out to him that made him remember this video. So that was the money shot. Y'all should have at least one money shot in your music video. All right, let's go to the next video. Out of this memory, I remember there was a cool shot of him. Oh, yep, right here. You'll have your favorite spots in the videos where you're like, oh man, I remember, you know, on this one, somewhere in the middle, I did this really cool thing. Like, show the really cool thing. This is like the highlight. Someone was looking to book you for music videos and they were only able to see one video. You're just showcasing all of the best of your best inside one place that they can see all of this in a matter of a few minutes. Choose wisely because remember, you're selling yourself. I'm gonna continue doing the same process, drag a music video down, pick out 3 to 5 or 6 of my favorite shots from it, and then drag the next video down and keep repeating that. And once I have all my videos down here, I'll be right back. All right, so what I ended up doing was I changed the order and it makes sense. So let's say one of the videos that you did out of the 10 was for a bigger artist. People have short attention spans. So what I would do is the very first video that you start your reel off with, grab their attention and like, oh shit, it's so-and-so, recognizable face or a name. So this year I was fortunate. I worked with an artist named Adam Calhoun, and one of the music videos that I did for him ended up at one point was the number 8 most trending video in the world, and you know, it has over 4 million views as of right now. So I thought like, okay, it makes sense to start the video off with a bang. So have like your best work up at the front at the beginning, and it's not that your worst work is at the end of the video, because shout out to every artist that's in my reel. Appreciate working with everyone, looking forward to working again. But yeah, I would start it off. It is important with being selective with what you start the video off with. I ended up making mine 2 minutes and 8 seconds. And then as far as cutting it up, it's gonna be similar to editing a music video. So I'm gonna show you right here.
Cracka on the track.
You see on my screen how like, boom, there's a bass drop right there and I cut it, and then boom, there's another bass kick and I cut it on the kick too. So it's similar to like editing a music video. You can edit with the beat, and on the beat you can see boom right there, boom right there, boom right there, boom, 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 boom. So usually you would want to cut it with the beat. You don't have to cut it out in every single one. No rules with music videos, but you want to be able to like watch it and nod your head at the same time. And if like your cuts don't match with the music at all, people will stop and they're like looking at it and they can't nod their head to it. So that's like a pro tip with pacing your edit, how often you should cut it up. So yeah, I ended up having 22 music videos in about 2 minutes. So let's say for even numbers, instead of 22 music videos in this 2 minutes, if I had did 44 music videos, so that's twice as many music videos. On average, I showed each video for about 5 or 6 seconds. If I had twice as many videos to show in the same amount of time, I would have had to show them for half the time. It's just basic math right there, divided by 2. You have twice as many, you gotta divide by 2. And let's say you had half the amount of videos. So instead of 22 videos, if you only had 11 videos, well, I showed each video for 5 to 6 seconds, so you would have it twice as long. So you could show each video for like 10 to 12 seconds. So that's how you do it. Started it with the logo. I ended it with the logo also. You don't have to do that. I would make one of these like as soon as possible. I like to make one every single year just to kind of look back and reflect and be like, these are all the music videos I did in 2022. Cool, you can check them out right here. And look, you can even see, here's the videos I did in 2021 and then 2020 and then 2019. You should be able to see progression each year. Like, oh dang, your skills got better. You started working with bigger artists. Everything should just be improving each year. You could use your reel as an ad to run and be like, now booking music videos, click below to schedule a call or inquire, whatever. If you guys want me to make future videos talking about like marketing or business or what to do to post to get booked, things like that, let me know, drop a comment, just say like business tips, marketing tips, branding tips, things like that. In the meantime, meantime, I do offer a limited amount of one-on-one coaching calls. Links to everything will be in the description. Remember, mastermusicvideos.com. That's going to be your source, your hub to learn and grow your skills with music videos. Everything's going to be there. Subscribe for more. Do me a favor, please get a video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. We out.